Friday. So it's a Friday night and we're going to
Round one. It's a multi-storied karaoke slash bowling slash video game arcade slash. I mean, it's got everything. There's two of them in Tokyo. We're going to the one in Ikebukuro.
That's not right.
We are going to the one in Ikebukuro.
Close, yeah.
Ikebukuro.
Nice. So yeah, that'll be fun and we're gonna bring you along. So let's go. So we decided to go bowling. I can't even think right now. So we're gonna do 2 games of bowling, which will be fun. So yeah, what is that?
Coke and melon tea.
Melon tea.
Yeah.
That looks like battery acid. There he goes. Oh, that was pretty good. Oh, barely missed it.
All right, Loren going in. Perfect form. Oh, and a perfect strike for Loren. She says she's rusty. Wow, how's that even a thing? What the heck?
I love that so much.
He's going hard.
That is amazing. Okay, where do we want to go next? Okay, so what's up here?
Okay, we got darts.
Darts. Karaoke. Okay.
Oh, and ping pong.
Oh, do we get to pick the room?
What room do we want?
Oh my gosh. Space. A cute dog room. What is this? A nature room?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
A matrix, quasi-matrix, and then
What is that?
like a boardroom.
What do you think?
I'm thinking maybe the dog one.
The cute dog room.
Yeah. Room 21.
This is ours.
Come on in to my humble
This is kind of freaky. It's so tiny in here. Hi.
Wait, hold on. Boo, 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 boo,
Boo,
boo,
boo,
boo.
boo. Here we go. Wait, are the words in Japanese?
It shouldn't be. Time cast a spell on you, but you won't forget me.
This is so bad.
Hold you down till the sound of just a fool.
Big in Japan? Okay, sure. It is hot in here.
What's this do? Yo. Holy shit. Winter City sun is so loud, crystal bits of snow. Wait here for my man tonight. It's easy when you're big in Japan. When you're big in Japan. Now it's history I see. I messed up. What's that? Yeah, you push the top button.
There's no way it's gonna work. What? There's no, that's as far as it would let me go.
Oh wait, actually, maybe.
That one's really close. Yeah. All right. You going again?
Yeah.
Trying to get the Shibu Inu. Wow.
Hold up, I got it.
Okay.
Alright,
Nice.
I got it.
Very cool.
Yeah, I meant it's the luck. I'm gonna
Yeah.
What the heck was that?
The little ones are harder. The swinging.
Alright, do the swing.
The swinging trick. All right. I mean.
Yeah, the concept was there, just
There's
not the
a-
execution.
Yeah. Yeah, that way.
Crap, no. Nice sock, dude. Dude, what the heck, man? At least you got it up. I couldn't even get it like
Yeah, at least I
in
got
the
it
air. So they have another one, and it has like bull riding and batting cages and stuff. I think it'd be fun to go to sometime. I
Interesting.
think this one's a little smaller.
Okay. Look at mine. Mine's
This is Christmas themed.
What a snowman.
It says
And a scarf.
Maedo Kohi, mermaid coffee. Maedo Kohi. Delicious coffee.
Thanks for joining us on our Friday night. It was a fun experience. Ikebukuro is a really cute area, I will say.
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing in round one?
Definitely the karaoke. I got to sing a little Creed, and that was fun. But the auto tune made my voice sound not as bad, so. That was good.
The auto tune. There was no auto tune.
There was definitely some auto tune.
there wasn't.
I think there was. Passing silhouettes of strange illuminated mannequins. Yeah, my voice just sounded that good. I thought it was auto tune. So. What about you?
It was fun to try the claw machines because I've never done that before.
Ever? You've never done a claw machine?
I don't
In your
know.
whole life?
I don't know. I've also never really done karaoke.
I guess. Yeah, I mean I don't think I've ever done karaoke, but I've definitely done a claw machine before.
I don't know if I have. Anyway, yeah.
What about bowling? Do you like bowling?
Yeah, that was also my first time bowling.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Yeah, that was fun. And then the coffee shop we went to was really cute.
It was really cute.
The Mermaid Cafe or whatever.
Mermaid Cafe.
Really liked that.
We were also trying to find a Christmas market, but that was closed by the time we got out of round one, so we'll definitely have to come back.
Yeah, the Christmas market closed at 8 p.m.
Yeah, especially
on a Friday?
Yeah, especially in a bigger part of the city like this where everything else is open.
We'll just have to come back. We're not too far, so.
It's like 30 minutes.
But anyway, Ikebukuro was a good time. The street right here is really fun. So anyway, thanks for joining us on our little Friday night outing.
Yeah, that was fun.
All right, bye.
100% made in the USA. Oh no.
Nice.
Let's go, dude. This is one thing I can
Wow.
do. Sriracha sauce, bro.
That's awesome.